To begin this meditation, please bring kind awareness to why you chose this topic, how your belly, chest, and head each feel when you reflect on this topic, the emotions that you can associate with these visceral feelings. Take a moment to come to a comfortable seated position, turning your attention towards your breath and making any adjustments required for comfort. Close your eyes or lower your gaze when you feel ready. Now gently notice any tension you might be holding in the jaw area. Kindly, without judgment, allow it to seep downwards and into the earth. Notice any tension you might be holding in your neck or shoulders, and see if you can allow that tightness to melt slowly, running down your body and into the ground that can hold and transform it. Noticing any other places within your body where you might be holding or bracing, and grant them permission, even if just for the next short while, to take a break. Release any tension that can be safely and comfortably released. Now I'd like you to imagine a blanket. This blanket is made from the most beautiful, delightful material you can think of. For some, it might be silk. For others, it might be soft and warm like fleece. Alternatively, your blanket might be made of flowers, or it might be knit of the softest natural wool. And then notice what color this blanket is, whether solid or multi-toned. Let it take on whatever color or colors you gravitate towards most, anything that soothes and comforts you. Now I'd like you to imagine this blanket draping over you in the most gentle, loving way. And as it touches your body, you realize that this blanket is infused with deep, unquestioning, unconditional love. And now, that love is enveloping you. Feel the love that this blanket carries now seeping into every cell, every muscle, every organ, and every thought within your body. No matter how you're feeling or what you're thinking, no matter what emotions you're feeling or what stories you're carrying today, this blanket embraces you. Like sunlight, the warmth penetrates every single part of you. Some areas of your body might naturally receive this love, while others might be resistant. If this is the case, focus on the places where the love enters naturally, and then see if it might gently and slowly expand to other regions. See if you can take in what it feels like to be embraced by this, to bath in love, kindness, and tenderness unconditionally. If your mind drifts into thoughts, come back to your sense of the blanket. When you feel ready to close this practice, take a moment to tune into your heart, maybe placing your palms there. Offer yourself gratitude for this practice, knowing that it's just that, a practice. Gently let your sense of this blanket dissolve if it hasn't already, knowing that it's available to you anytime, always. It's portable and doesn't take up space in your handbag or the trunk of your car. Whenever you need it, you can call it forth. Come back to your breath now, and then to your sense of the seat beneath you. And slowly open your eyes when you feel ready. Thank you for practicing today.